arcade car in Chevy. This is a Chevrolet. They're one of the best brands of the U.S. that has a nice vehicles, nice models, and figures. So the sponsor in this company, this corporation. This is the dedication. This is the best one ever, and that matches the secrets of the combination row. This car here, this is a fabulous price for welcoming indeed, though. This is in the holiday season, the New Year's resolution, in the May National Revolution Marathon Month. Although it'll be one of the birthday gift of mine I'm going to receive for the next ultimate challenge for the championship resource, maximum global championship extermination. Now, the champions don't give up; they live for a stronger peace, for millennium accomplishments. While the challengers, they face the obstacles, weaknesses, critical defenses. Anything will be improved once the challengers, prove themselves to pass through the test first. When champions earn what it takes to get the prize, they win it for all. This is the commercial scenes. You've seen everything. Well, the next one will be in the destination course with another car. Thanks, Chevrolet. This is the best price ever. Guaranteed for the accomplishment and the success. Cut!